Stay the fuck away from me with the white shirt.
I think he means it.
I'm gonna give it.
Oh, whoa, incoming. Yeah, I saw that. That was close. Far back, far back. Hey, you see the helmet right there? Ghillie suit moving up.
Matt, contact, back 3 line.
Ghillie suit taken out. I got the ghillie suit. Enemy straight ahead in the woods. Enemy straight back. I'm moving up. Moving up. Moving up into Germany. Watch your, hey, the homeboy below us got hit. Here, use the shotty if you get a chance. Yeah, roger that. Oh. You got visuals on anything?
I don't see anything in the woods.
Nothing. They're shooting this way. Got, oh, right there, right there.
I haven't hit him.
I got him right there. He's hit.
I got him.
No, he just called it when I hit him though. Oh, the guy in the green on the right.
Oh, I got the guy in the green.
There's a guy moving up, right side, right there. You see him? Got him. He's hit. He's hit.
Oh, I see the sniper.
Yeah, he's hit. I got him. Guy moving up again. Same spot. Oh, watch your rifle. Oh, right there at the. Got him. Somebody almost fell down. Enemy down. Enemy down. They're moving left, moving left. He should be in front of you. Good. Yeah, don't shoot. All black. Don't shoot. Oh, get that guy. He's got my back on the line. Hey, hey. One down. Yeah, yeah. I got a bunch of brush in my way. Is that? Oh! He's got us shot. He's got us covered. You see him? Look through the crack. Look through that little hole. Now you're not taking fire, man. Watch that way. Straight ahead, that way. Oh, watch out. Got him.
Nice.
There's another one, all black.
I got him too, I think.
4 shots. Going for a reload. I don't see him. I don't see him. Guy at the chicken coop still. We got another guy at the chicken coop still. Further right. He's in the middle. I got him. I got him.
Hey, Marcel, can you
I got him. 1 shot hit.
Marcel,
Nice.
Marcel, look. That way, straight up that way.
Oh, I see his helmet. Oh, hold steady. Oh, he took cover. Got him, he's hit. Reloading. Nope, I got two left. Whoa, whoa. Back at the chicken coop. Back at the chicken coop. I'm gonna flank right here. I'm gonna stay right here. I don't have visual. I don't have a visual. Did you get hit?
No, it's just ricocheting.
Oh, they're shooting from spawn over here. I'm gonna grab my reload. They're gonna push. One final push. I see him far back.
Where?
Straight ahead.
Oh, hey! Fuck, I didn't see him. Anthony, you still got matrix?
Keep low. Stay low. Japan. Oh, I'm stuck on a nail, bro. Ow.
Where's that sniper? Back in the woods?
He's back in the woods. There, he's moving left. Kill him right there. Suppress fire. Come on. Straight ahead. Straight back.
Okay, I see.
I don't have visual.
Follow my shots.
Let's see your shots. Let's see the enemy.
Yeah, there's somebody out there. There's somebody. He's peeking out.
Oh, he took off. You got him. You got him.
Okay.
He's hit. Oh. Oh. Yeah, right there. You see him moving left?
Yeah.
Right there, right there. Right here. Oh, peek.
There might be a guy, huh?
That's him, all green. He's right here to my to your left. Behind that tree stump right there. I don't have a visual on him. There's another one, yep. There, he's one's down. There's a second one laying down. Incoming.
Hey, we're holding matrix?
They're coming out with hands up. Hold your fire.
I started lounging on a log and I just got hit by a stray BB.
That's usually how it works.
Pretty sure it's pretty much but decimated.
What do you want to do? You want to go?
We hold it down till end the game.
They're already pushing like way out there.
I think they're trying to get around maybe on the flank.
Oh, enemy in the woods, taking fire. Yep. Successful flank in the woods. He's down, one down.
One down, how many were there?
One still left. Straight back, my 12 o'clock. Straight back,
I got no visual.
my 12.
Kill shot, you see anybody in chicken coop?
Yeah, one guy. He's wearing a purple headgear. Left side of chicken coop, purple headgear.
Left side.
Got him.
Go.
Hey, purple bandana, take a shot! 10 o'clock, 100 meters!
Hey, I'm behind you. We have enemies here. Well, careful. Oh, watch out, don't peek. Far back. Crossfire, crossfire. I see him. Watch out. See him back there? All green?
Yeah, see,
Watch your left, watch your left. Where's the sniper, Anthony? What the f? See him behind, he's moving in, straight back. That was Mike.
You're gonna put it in the inside of that building.
Got him. Good call, brother. Good call. Ooh. Yeah, I got an enemy behind the barrels, green barrels. 2 of them now. Oh, that was beautiful.
Look at him rubbing his head.
I got you right. Was he back there in the woods?
No,
or in the... Oh, watch out, bro. Was that right here? I'm moving. I see him back here. Hey, hey, Mike! Or Anthony! Suppress! Pistol! Right here, my 12 o'clock at the fucking kill house, right side. I'm gonna get him. Ah, come on, man. Whatever.
You shoot that thing?
Hell yeah. I get kills too. You wanna shoot it?
Yeah, let me shoot it. It's loaded and everything?
Loaded, ready to go. Pull the trigger. That's it. Rack it. Huh? That's what it's about. Yeah. Yeah. You know? So like,
damn. It does.
You know?
Yeah, it's cool, man.